Hey everyone, welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make delicious frijoles puercos. These are one of my favorite types of beans. If you don't know how to make them, stay tuned and I'll show you how. So for this recipe, I'm gonna be using my Presto pressure cooker. I'm gonna be adding 1.5 pounds of Peruano beans to the pot. My beans were already cleaned and washed. Now we're gonna be adding water. I'm gonna be using boiled water so they can cook even faster. And I'm gonna add just enough where it covers the beans. Next, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of salt. And last, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm gonna cover it and cook for about 1.5 hours. The beans are now ready. Okay, beans are ready, and now it's time to put them in the blender. Once I poured the beans, I realized it was too much, so I'm gonna be blending it in 2 parts. This is the second batch. Please don't over blend your beans. We're only blending them for like 3 seconds. We're gonna prepare the chorizo for the frijoles puercos. I'm gonna be using 9 ounces of pork chorizo. Now we're gonna start breaking it apart. After about 5 minutes, the chorizo is now ready and it's time to add the beans. Once the beans are in, we mix it very well. Now I'm gonna be adding some salsa ranchera. I only used about 1/3 of the can. Next, we're gonna add some Monterey Jack cheese. And once again, we mix it in until it's completely melted. Now that the cheese is all melted, the last part is to add jalapeños. I'm gonna be using some sliced jalapeños and some of the jalapeno juice. Once this is mixed in, we're gonna turn the heat to low and let it boil for about 5 minutes. It's actually been about 3 minutes and they are ready. This is how the beans should look. Super delicious, they smell so good. You can add as many jalapenos as you want, but for me, this is just right. Super delicious frijoles puercos. Okay, time to serve myself some frijoles puercos. And this is the soup that I made earlier, sopa fría. This is gonna be a delicious meal. This is my favorite part because I'm hungry. Cheers. They're so delicious. Perfect amount of spice. Nomás me faltó la carne asada. But it's so delicious, you need to try it. Okay guys, that's it for this one. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not part of our family, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye.